Alright, so what is up, YouTube? Back at again with another video for you guys. Today we got something very special. Yes, you guys saw it in the thumbnail. We did build a shop in our backyard. Now it's only up from here, guys. Now we're definitely going to be pumping out more content out of this garage back here, and it's going to be wild, guys. Let me go ahead and show you guys around the building and show you the building, what we have here. So what you guys are looking at here is a 40 by 30 lengthwise, 16-foot tall shop, and then it's a gray and black two-tone, and then the roof is black too as well, as you guys saw from the drone shots. And got all the doors open right now just to show you guys the doors that we have and also airflow. So in that corner here we have an 8x8 garage door. Right here we have a 12x12 garage door. That way this is mainly, you know, the main traffic coming in and out. Right here is just in case we need to take something out, work on stuff, and just another door. And we did run electrical to the building, so it goes from the house inside. That's that. We got a man door and a window, and then we do have like a storage back here too as well, as it goes back that way. But yeah, the company that came out, I believe it's called Golden Valley Structures. They're out of Fresno, and they knocked it out within 3 days. It's a nice quality. So we did do it with the double shear right here, so it has double all the way around on top with the trusses and everything like that. And yes, it's a madhouse in here right now. We did set it up like 2 weeks ago. So here's the electrical panel. My dad did. Good thing he knows electrical. So we have 220 in here, 110, all that stuff for the welder and all that. So that goes to the welder, which comes over here. That's for my brother's section over here, which is all, I'm telling you guys, we're in the middle of building stuff. We got like some bin organizers from Harbor Freight, a rolling tool cart. We got another outlet there, and the 220 over there for the bad boy welder here. Some impacts. My brother did put his Banshee up here, and the other Dooner is gonna go up there, which is right there. But let's not get sidetracked with the video. We're on the building for today, and we are doing electrical still. So we have these 110 outlets going across, and then we have these lights that go up and here. I'm thinking we need at least 4 more, one on that side, one in the middle, another one here, and one here, just to make this place really bright, and that way there's no shadows and stuff. But I mean, it's super bright in here, because with them off, it's pretty dark in here. Check it out. So yeah, but yeah, we did the electrical, and it's kind of hard, guys. You know, me and my brother work normal jobs, and this shit, you know, you have to work on it after work. And we usually stay up to 2 in the morning, like doing stuff. Here in this section is for the bandsaw, and we do have a mill. It's in the garage right now, so we're thinking about putting the mill here. I don't know, drop comments down. What do you guys think? Kind of new to this, you know, I guess for planning. And in the near future, very soon, we're gonna build a loft. So basically it's gonna be this whole back section right here, and from that pole to this pole is gonna be a little bigger, and this one's gonna be more of like a, not a walkway, but you know, a storage spaceway, because we are gonna get a car lift and put it more in this area right here to lift up the cars that we have, Evil and the race car and all that. But because the side-by-sides, you really don't, we're gonna put 2 lifts, but we don't really need lifts for these things. Everything you pull out on the side and stuff like that, it's not really too common to put things on a lift. And yes, I still need to make the turbo video on this bad boy, but now as you can see, we're getting more set up in here, and we'll go ahead and post more videos on that. But just wanted to show you guys that I'm still alive, and we're gonna have more videos coming your way very soon. It feels great to have a shop here, so hopefully the channel takes off, and I'm gonna dedicate more to the videos since now we have a designated workspace. It's gonna be amazing, guys. This is a customer's car here. It's getting a turbo build. My brother just got a Can-Am, so there's gonna be videos on this. He just made a cage for it, and yes, he's gonna go purple and black. He bought doors, bed delete. He just got it like 2 weeks ago when we got the shop too as well. And then he did make an exhaust already. I'm gonna do some organizing today, and if you guys want to stick around, let's go ahead and get this done. we're gonna put up this cart here and maybe figure out where to hang this rack here and just get some more organizing. So let's get the time lapse rolling, guys. Well, why is there black lines on there? Hopefully it's just a screen right here, but. All right, guys, as you guys just saw in that time lapse right there, we went ahead and set up these cabinets right here. These are Husky cabinets from Home Depot. Right here on this one, we got paper towels on the bottom, paper towels up here, the shop towels, and my brother likes candy, some candy. But we're figuring out what to put in these things still. We're probably gonna buy maybe like I say 3 more, or yeah, 3 more, like 1 here, 1 there, 1 back there. And also we did as well put one on this side too as well. You guys just didn't see that on the time lapse, but over here we got more serious stuff. We got the turbo for the Evo right here, and then we got the turbo for the YXZ right here, and then we got the wastegates for the Evo, and then the wastegates for a customer car, some injectors, a fuel rail, and just some other miscellaneous stuff. That way we think, oh, that's why we think we can use more of these around the shop. But we do have to frame them in. Me and my brother did this framing right here. The good thing is the company that we got the building from left us the leftover material, so we went ahead and cut it up and framed it up right here. That's what I did today, and it looks pretty nice if you ask me. But yeah, and also while I was doing that, my brother went ahead, we got this thing from Harbor Freight here. It's like a little bin organizer. He welded it on to the frame here of this rack, as you guys saw earlier. And yeah, and also sorry for not filming some of the stuff. Like, we did get the electrical done on the lights. We did that like at 3 in the morning, and it's just, we're trying to get stuff done instead of picking up the camera. But now I think I'm gonna start picking up the camera since we got a good area to film now. Next, what's on the next? What's on the list next, George? Like what? The loft.
Oh, the loft is next.
Yeah, so next, probably this weekend, we're gonna build a loft here in this corner, and then whenever the time comes again, when the money's right, we're gonna put another loft in this corner to meet with each other, the whole back area. So it's gonna be pretty big on this side. What is it gonna be, like 18 by 10? Something like that. And over here is gonna be by 5 by whatever that is, probably like 18, I guess, huh? And yeah, we got set up a little more here with impacts here, some charging stuff here. It's kind of in the air right now still, since we are just moving in kind of still. Compressor. We got the bandsaw you guys saw earlier, and my brother also brought in the tube bender. He is making a cage for this YXZ right here, customer's car. Probably if we do more of that tomorrow, I'll go ahead and make a video on this too as well, doing a cage for the YXZ. But yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in. There's gonna be more videos here about the shop, the Can-Am that my brother got, but there's gonna be videos on the shop, the side-by-sides, and just more content coming out to you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you guys on the next one.
Y'all some plain niggas, we insane, nigga. All I see is signs in the fucking crowd. I brought all my homies, who gon' stop us now?